channel. It's been a long time. I haven't uploaded a single video for this month. I'm gonna do a simple glam makeup, so I hope you will like it. First is I'm using Celotech. It's by Dermascience. It's a hydration facial moisturizer. And of course, don't forget to moisturize the lips. This is my first time to use Shawill face primer, so we'll see how it goes with my skin. Just spread it. Now let's go to the foundation. I'm using Maybelline New York Fit Me with the shade of 230, or it's Natural Buff. So just gonna spread it well. I like this one because it's good for normal to oily skin. And I'm using now L'Oreal Infallible Concealer to cancel all the dark spots that I have, especially my pimple scars. So let's go to the brows. I'm using this one. This is from O.TWO.O. I really like this eyebrow pencil because it's very tiny on the tip and it can really define your brows well. And the good point with this one is it has already a brush on the other side, so it's double purpose. And it goes well with my skin tone. It's not too dark, it's kinda shade of brown. For my eyeshadow, I'll be using Morphe 350. So I will take the lightest color. I'll spread it all over my eyelid so that foundation and concealer won't be sticky when applying other colors. So I'm gonna be mixing these two colors. This will be my transition shade. So just put it all over the crease in a circular and back and forth motion. Oh guys, don't forget to put a tape. This is good if you don't want to mess with your eyeshadow. I have droopy eyes, so I want to achieve the eye cut look. So by putting the tape, it can really help, guys. For the transition shade, just spread it well in a circular and back and forth motion, and make sure that you have to really balance. So from time to time, I'm looking at a mirror. I'm mixing these two colors for my second shade. I will be focusing on the outer corner of my eyes and going back to the middle, so spreading it well from the middle to the outer corner of the eyes. And guys, from time to time I take a look on the mirror because I don't want to mess my eyeshadow, so you have to be careful. And this one, the darkest shade, will be on the outer corner. So yeah, just focus on the outer corner because our goal is to make it really darker. So something like that, and do the other side. With a clean brush, just have to spread well so that there's no harsh lines. And then shimmery eyeshadow, put it in the middle, from the inner corner to the middle of your eyes. So do the same on the other side. And then I'm gonna take this darker shimmery color like gold, so I'll be putting it in the middle of my eyes. Something like this. And just take off the tape. So you see, we achieved the eye cut look. For my lower lash line, I'm mixing these two colors from the inner to the middle of my lash line. And do the same on the other side. I'm gonna take these two darker shades for my lower lash line from the middle going to the corner. And then I'll just be connecting this to the tail of my eyeliner. With a clean brush, you can just clean the mess around and make sure that there are no harsh lines. So just doing that. And for my mascara, I like this Lancome Mascara. I like this one. I've been using this for so long now. What I like is that the lashes are not sticking to each other, so there's no clumps. And for my eyeliner, I like to use LA Girl. This is in the shade of dark brown. When doing eyeliner, guys, you really have to be careful and really take it slowly but surely, because it's so hard to mess it up, guys, when you're already done with your eyeshadow and then you made a mistake. Oh, it's so boring to redo it, so just take it slow. And for the contour, I'm not using any contour products. I'm just using BYS Bronze. So just taking the two darkest colors, I combine them, and then yeah, just putting it on the hollow of my cheekbone and my forehead, and oh my gosh, my jawlines, they're too sharp. So just do that. I don't like putting too much contour. So yeah. And for the nose, I'm using this color to make your nose seem to be long. To have a long nose, you have to contour your nose. But if you have perfect nose, there's no need to contour. But for me, I like to define it. For my blush, I'm using Lustrous Shimmery Blusher. So just putting it on the apple of my cheeks and on my chin. And for the lips, I like Nichido. I have different shades of Nichido eyeliner to make your lipstick long last line in. So this is so red. Maybe I'll put a little something on top of it later. If you make a mess, just use a clean brush with a foundation. And voila! For my face, I'm using Nichido face powder because it's a bit oily in my face, so it's just a final touch. Yeah, spreading it well. Very light, and don't forget your neck, guys. This is just a simple glam, so you can use this in any occasion that you want to attend. For my lashes, I'm using Nichido Tru Lashes, so this is just natural, and actually I have difficulty putting it so it's so hard to put. And this one for my lips, it's from O.TWO.O because I realized that complements to my top, so just just put it on top of my eyeliner. To make the makeup last long, I'm using EB makeup setting spray. So just spread it, let it dry. And hairstyle time. Actually, I don't know what to do with my hair. So first I straighten, and then I realize I want to curl it. So here it is, mermaid curl. I just like to curl my hair. I don't know. I like a messy look. So yeah, and it's fun to do. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. It really helps, guys. So this is it. I hope you like this video, and see you soon on my next video. Bye.